Hi, this is Tutor and this is lesson 668. The title of today's lesson is the difference between disintegrate and decompose. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's go right to it. If something disintegrates, it breaks into bits of very small pieces, especially by the result of an explosion or some force. And this first one is especially for something physical. Now, the second one, if something disintegrates, it has become seriously weakened and starts to break apart. This second one could be used for non-physical things, like maybe somebody's marriage or relationship could start to disintegrate, or I don't know, maybe somebody's partnership could disintegrate. That's not necessarily a physical thing. All right, number two, if something decomposes, it usually changes by a slower natural process, especially through bacteria, fungi, rotting, decaying, etc. Often by chemicals wearing away at something and destroying its parts. So that's a key part. Both terms can be used with rocks, though. Disintegration of rocks can take place without any change in chemical parts. Well, it could be crushed, or there could be some force, or just some, natural forces on the earth that could be, wearing away at it. Decomposition of rocks takes place with changes in the chemical parts of rocks, or some chemicals get into the rocks and can start to, break them apart in that sense. All right, and we got 8 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. A lack of morals starts to disintegrate a society. All right, now this is a non-physical one, but it means it could start to break it apart piece by piece. Number 2, over time, these rock formations will be disintegrated by the natural elements of wind, rain, cold. Yes, well, to be honest, that's how rock formations are often formed. Sometimes they're very attractive, but over time they wear away more and more and more, and then they might, not look so pretty anymore. All right. Number 3, the plane disintegrated upon the impact with the side of that mountain. So this was probably all at once. It kind of exploded or broke into many pieces. Number 4, all the evidence totally disintegrated in the explosion. Well, maybe there was some evidence somewhere, not like a building or something blew up, so maybe somebody wanted the evidence to be destroyed. Anyway, number 5, the Twin Towers disintegrated upon explosions on 9/11 and were dustified. Yeah, they disintegrated so much the whole thing became like dust practically. All right. Number 6, once a person dies and the body goes through rigor mortis, it will start to decompose over time. There's a lot of chemical changes in the body. The body could start to bloat and smell and all kinds of chemical things happening in the body. All right, number 7, he puts a lot of food waste, such as kitchen scraps, banana peels, plants, etc., into a pile to decompose and become a compost. Okay. And number 8 here, they say it takes 2 to 6 weeks for paper products to decompose in a landfill. Although I have heard some stories where they might take longer than that. But still, they are decomposing for sure. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.